This is the original Abracadabra. The company did gift this to me. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. In fact, I'm going to show you how this works. On this fabric, I've got ink right here, and I've got lipstick right here. All right, here's the lipstick. So all you're going to do is just squirt it on there. We're going to let it sit, and then we're going to go ahead and get this ink. We're going to squirt it on there, and we're going to let it sit for a little while. So you can use this as like a pre-treater as well for your laundry, but the instructions on this are to let it sit, and then you're going to go ahead and kind of like just rough it off a little bit and then just throw it in the laundry. But we're going to go ahead and let it sit. We're going to scrub these down. You can see right here, there's the lipstick. I let this soak for a while. Let's see how well this loosened that lipstick up. It's almost gone. We're going to wipe it down. It took out all the ink and all of the lipstick. Anything that you got a stain on, you're going to be able to use this. This is the Dream Stain Remover by Abracadabra. This is the original. As far as the smell goes, when I first smelled it, it kind of reminded me of like bubble gum. If you're going to put a lot of it on here, it does have a little bit of a smell to it, but not bad. It's not like anything that gives you a headache. 16 fluid ounces. It's ready to go. You just screw the top on. Don't have to dilute it down. Definitely pick this up and check it out. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.